Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu and you are watching Encyclo Hub. In this video, we are discussing question number 4a. Before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all type of answers in the PDF and the handwritten form. If you need this, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number for this. And we are providing also all 9 classes. And just you have to message on our number or you can call also. Here, question number 4 is saying that all business enterprises are engaged in purchasing and selling. Mention what steps are required after an order is executed as part of the routine selling. So this question is taken from lesson 12 and answer limit is 100 to 150 words. If you need answer of this question, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp. So we will provide all the answers accordingly. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video with new question. Thank you so much.